What the going on with my armature? I can't get any tension, man. I had you then, didn't I? I did have you. Maybe not. You thought I was going to go rogue for a bit. Hey, listen. Everyone has problems with their armatures, and this one, Puppet Maintenance 3, we are looking at... what are we looking at? We're looking at the tension inside those joints. So, some armatures, you can lose your tension inside the joints. It doesn't matter which one. We're going to have a look at some of those problems today. So, I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to jump straight into the booth and start explaining what's going on and how you can fix them.
Okay, here we go. So I've already disassembled the armature, as you can see. And in this particular illustration, the knee joints run really loose. That means there's no tension in that joint, in that knee joint at all. So I'm just going to very quickly demonstrate by trying to tighten it up. I'm still not getting any tension at all, which is annoying, obviously. And the problem isn't with the joint itself, it's with the screw. So these are high tensile screws that we're using within the joints. Unfortunately, what happens is when they're put under pressure or they're in tension for a long period of time, they can stretch, and then you just lose all tension in that joint. So get rid of the screw. It's a really quick and easy fix. Get a brand new screw, drop them into the joint, give it a tighten up. See how we get on. Okay, it's still a little bit loose. I think we can go a little bit more there. Okay, just very carefully, just finding my level of tension. And there we go. We've got a knee joint that's fixed, that's holding its tension again, just simply by replacing that high tensile screw. Just need a tiny little bit more, I think. There we go. So as I say, a really quick, easy, simple solution. Just replace the high tensile joints. These are available on Animation Toolkit. Should you need replacement joint screws, you should find that that fixes things pretty well. So the next problem you might encounter is that a joint is too stiff. So in this elbow joint, you can see that it's really stiffened up. That's because, again, the screw might have caused a bit of an issue here. So first and foremost, I always take out that screw, just whiz it straight out. Take the screw out, and then let's just take it apart and just have a look in the joint. So this one, to me, it looks completely fine. There's no galling there. It all seems completely smooth. It's just really tight. So again, this is a really quick and simple solution. I'm going to clean off the ball for one, just in case any grit was in there. And now I'm just going to take a little bit of silicone oil we're using here. You can use silicone oil, or you can use Vaseline or lanolin. Vaseline is much cheaper. All you need to do is put a tiny amount into the seat of the ball joint. That's where the ball will sit. You just put it on one side to begin with, just a tiny amount, and pop it onto the other side. This literally just a small dot. Don't smother the joints in silicone oil or Vaseline or lanolin. And then just reassemble. But don't forget, just as a matter of course, get rid of the old screw and put a brand new screw in anyway. We just can't guarantee what's happened to that screw whilst it's been under tension for a period of time. So brand new screw in, reassemble the joint and tighten up. And then it's just a case that once you've found your tension, your ideal tension, there we go, bear with me, just start working that silicone oil or the Vaseline or the lanolin into the joint, so you just get a smoother movement. So there you go, all done. Finding my tension for setting the final tension there. working that the oil back into the joint, as I say, and I will probably start reassembling the puppets ready to go back into set. It's fairly simple, really. Okay.
Okay guys, I hope those tips and tricks helped you out on kind of sorting some of those tension problems out on your joints. Join me for the next puppet maintenance tips at Animation Toolkit. I'm Wes, and I'll catch you on the next one.